First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So I hope you have seen the thumbnail of the video. So second update on the test package of SBI Clerk this year, that is worksheets on a form of PDF file. And many students were keep on emailing us to give some PDF files for practice. So friends, remember one thing, based upon this schedule, right? So here is the worksheet schedule for all the 25 topics for the bank exams. Based upon this schedule date on the test package, you will get the worksheets. So every worksheet contains 25 questions, and all are important questions for SBI Clerk, as well as if you are preparing for SBI PO, both the students can use this worksheet. And one important thing, always remember that the test series only helps your time management, speed, accuracy. All these comes only when you practice the test. So in the same test package, we are giving a daily test. So make sure to write the daily test on time. Only daily test will help you speed, time management, everything. This PDF file will help you for a revision, right? For example, if you learned complete partnership topic, you want to just have a revision. First topic is partnership worksheet, right? So you want just a revision on the topic partnership. So go to the test package, click on the PDF file of partnership. So there I have given 25 questions. Just solve all the question without time or without accuracy, nothing. Just have a PDF file on your computer or your mobile phone, just the practice, right? So that practice will help you to recall all the important concept on the topic partnership. So similarly, go with problems on ages, data interpretation based upon the schedule, because most of the students will have a doubt before going for an exam. They don't know what to revise, actually which topic need to revise and which question they have to revise. So for all those students, before 1 week or 2 weeks before the exam, if you want to revise the complete quantitative aptitude, you can make use of all the 25 PDF file worksheets, so that if you solve all the 25 questions on each topic, 100% you will get a revision on it. So you don't want to spend a separate time for the preparation. So that's the reason many students are keep on emailing us to give PDF file. So our team provided some of the PDF files for you for this SBI Clerk and PO exam. So make use of it. So based on the schedule, you will get the PDF file on time, right? So this is the second update, and the third update will be prelims practice set. So based upon the exam date, I will give you 10 full length prelims practice set on the same test package. So once the exam schedule and the notification gets released, I will give you 10 practice set, right? So other than that, I will tell you where to get this PDF file on my test package. At the end of the video, I will tell you all those things. So friends, remember one thing, do not wait for the videos that I'm going to post for SBI Clerk. Already I've posted many videos for a bank exam. So if you are first time preparing for a bank exams, I have told you what you need to prepare, how to prepare, everything. So I hope you guys are matured, because you would have completed college final year and you are working for some IT sectors companies. I hope you guys have well matured persons. So do one thing, just take what are all the topics are. These are the 25 topics for your bank exams. I have a separate note, right? So each topic, I have a lesson starting from lesson number 1 till all the complete concepts of the lesson on my channel. So start learning it, either if you are learning on any institutions or you are referring any other YouTube channels. Every time if you are learning any new concept, make a note of it in your separate note, right? So before going for exams, if you just revise that note itself, it's more than enough to clear your exams. So don't expect that someone should help you on teaching, or don't expect that spoon feedings are required. Nothing, right? So only your hard work. You have to work for 6 to 8 hours a day, because many students are telling that this is the last attempt for them. So if you are like in the last attempt, so please make sure to have a proper preparation. Just 2 months, work hard, you can surely crack the exam, right? So now I will tell you how to utilize this worksheet and where the worksheet is. Everything I will tell you in this video now. Here I can show you the PDF file where you can view the worksheets PDF file. So just visit my website or a direct link of my test series, feelfreetolearn.videocrypt.in. So there first itself you can able to see SBI Clerk 2024 package, right? So click on this package and you will get this page. Yes, so now here you can able to see view content. So click on the view content. So here view content. Yes, so now already the daily test is going on as per the schedule. So now on your test package you can able to see a new tab called worksheet. So click on the worksheet. Yes, so here is the first topic as per the schedule. So first topic is on today, and next topic as per the schedule you can able to see next topics here. So now here in this topic partnership, so once you click on it, yes, so now you can able to view the PDF files. Yes, so this is the PDF file, and you can start practicing the test by using the PDF file. Even if you want, yes, you can download it. Once you click on this partnership topic, you can download the PDF file. So you can automatically download the PDF file and you can study in an offline mode, right? So this is the way the worksheets will help you to revise all the topics on quantitative aptitude. So thank you.